Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are making a sausage and cheese omelet. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining us today. If this is your first time watching, please do me a favor. Go down to the corner there, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, well you clicked on this video to watch me show you how to make a sausage and cheese omelet. So let's go to the kitchen and see what our ingredients are. First of all, we're going to go with this Adele's roasted garlic and Gruyere cheese sausage that we picked up. We're going to talk about that a little bit more in the video. Some cheddar cheese, about a cup, and of course 2 eggs to get this all to come together. So let's get started. Alright, well sometimes I look through cookbooks, I get on the internet or the World Wide Web to get inspired about what I want to do, what I want to cook, what I want to show you guys how to do. And sometimes I just go to the store and wander around until I see something that inspires me. So that being said, I wandered into the store yesterday and I found these. This brand is called Adele, from Chef Bruce Adele. This is roasted garlic and Gruyere cheese smoked chicken sausage. We're going to give this a try in our video today with the omelet. But they've got a website here. I'll post it in the description box and you can check it out. It's got all kinds of neat stuff. It shows all their brands and it shows recipes and all kinds of stuff. So go ahead and check that link out as well. We're just going to try this out and see how it tastes. Okay, let's open our package here. It's got the heating instructions for the grill, for your stovetop, how different ways to prepare it, different ingredients. You can find them on Facebook, and they also have a website which I will post down below. And I'm figuring that we're just going to make an omelet, so I'm just going to get one of these out just to try it out, and we are going to cut this up for our omelet. So, and these are fully cooked too, I might add. I'm just going to go ahead and cut that up so you can see how that looks on the inside, the little dots of yellow there or white or the cheese. So it smells really good. It smells like sausage, but it's also got some garlic notes in there. So I'm just gonna chop this into little bite-sized cuts. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna throw it in a pan. I got 3 pans working over here. I got one for our potatoes. This one's gonna go in the other one, and then we're gonna do our omelet in the smaller egg pan. So let's head over to the stovetop. Alright, you can see we got our potatoes going right there in that pan. We got our sausage getting in that pan. I'm going to back out here. We got our oil in the pan. I'm going to go ahead and turn this pan on and get it warmed up. We got our eggs ready to go. I just want to stir this up a little bit. Remember, the sausage is fully cooked, so it doesn't have to be, but I just want to kind of get a nice little crust on it. Bring out some of those natural flavors. Potatoes are almost done. I'm going to go ahead and turn those off. Oil is hot. Let's get it all over the pan. Remember, you just want to push the inside, outside of the omelet that's cooked. You can see the rim changing color as it cooks. You want to push those in and lean your pan so the raw egg goes to the outside and slides underneath and cooks. This is only a 2-egg omelet, but it's going to look like about a 6-egg omelet when we're done with it. Medium-high heat. Sorry, medium to high heat. You want to get all that runny egg off of there as much as you can before we go in for the flip. I'm going to back out and try something here, guys. Alright, the egg is flipped, raw side underneath, heat goes off. Remember, you don't want to get that outside of that omelet or the inside to where it is brown and crispy looking. I know I've seen pictures all over the World Wide Web and people posting pictures of an omelet that's just literally brown and almost black. That's just not the way to serve an omelet. If you got a problem with that, go ahead and leave a comment below and explain why. Back out just a little bit to plate here. Remember, you got it. Just take your omelet, set it down, use your pan to flip it over. Whoop, flip it over there. I'm going to add the rest of this cheese on here, some of this sausage on top. Remember, we do that so when you got 30 plates of eggs up in the window of the pass in a restaurant, the waitress can identify which omelet is hers. I'm going to take some and put some finishing touches on this, and then I am going to take some groovy pictures of it for social media. I'm going to post those pictures on the timeline with some really groovy music, and then we're going to come back and we're going to taste this. So don't go away. Enjoy the pictures, enjoy the music. Well, here's our omelet. Hash browns, a little salt and pepper on there. Cheesy, gooey. I got the sausage in there. It's going to be so good. Let's set up our tripod for the tasting shot. There's the bite right there. 3 pieces of that nice sausage and lots of cheese. First thing that hits me is the cheese. Creamy, melty, kind of velvety, you know, cheddar cheese when it melts, a lot of oil in there. The second thing that hits me is that sausage. You can taste that garlic in there, and that it's got a pepper almost in there too as well. But that tastes really good. I'm gonna take one more bite. There's almost a sweetness in there as well. I'm not really getting the cheese, but of course I added it to a cheese omelet too. Eating it by itself, maybe cooking it on the grill, let that cheese inside there explode a little bit more. But definitely good in an omelet. I'm not a spokesman for this company. I just went in there and picked it at random. But there is a website. Go check it out in the description box. Check out their recipes they got online there. And you can also order this, I think, online from their website too as well. So give it a try as well. It's Aidells is the name of their company. I'm sorry, Aidells, A-I-D-E-L-L-E-S. Good stuff. I'm going to go check out the other kind. They got a jalapeno bacon one and a bacon pineapple that I'll probably give it a try too. So this was a very good omelet. Thanks for watching. Hey, I appreciate you watching today. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to check out that description box on your way out. Not only does it contain the recipe for this show, but it also has a bunch of groovy links. I have a gourmet seasoning shop on Etsy and also have a cookbook on sale. Those links are down there. Don't forget to check out the playlists I've got down there for how to create a cooking show on YouTube, and also a playlist link for how to improve your channel and help it grow. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already, and then make sure you share this video with everyone that you know. Take care of yourself. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.